Stop buying wrenches that won't fit the next repair. The Channellock is the compact default. Switch for availability, budget, or stronger clamping. Choose by jaw reach, clearance, grip, and cost. For most homes, get the Channellock 8WCB WideAzz 8INCH adjustable wrench. Its 1 5/8 inch opening handles larger fittings, while the 8INCH body stays manageable under sinks and inside a tool drawer. Slim jaws help in awkward spaces, and the padded grip makes stubborn hardware less unpleasant. The catch is price. It costs more than a basic wrench this size. Skip it if your jobs are limited to small furniture or bike fasteners, or you want pliers-style clamping. When the default isn't available, consider the Milwaukee 48-22-75088 INCH wide jaw adjustable wrench. It gives you wide jaw capacity, smooth adjustment, and a moving jaw that stays steady during routine repairs. The all-metal handle also keeps the design straightforward. However, its thicker, less tapered jaws give you less room around cramped hardware. Skip it if under-sink clearance is your main concern, or you want cushioning when applying more force. For occasional small fixes, choose the Irwin Vise-Grip 207-86088 INCH adjustable wrench. It's the value route for furniture assembly, bike adjustments, and other modest fasteners. You still get smooth adjustment, a stable moving jaw, and a padded handle without paying for extra capacity. Its opening reaches only a little over 1 1/8 inches, so versatility is the compromise. Skip it if garden hose hardware or larger plumbing connections are likely jobs. For stubborn or worn hardware, upgrade to the Knipex 8605-180 Pliers Wrench. Its parallel jaws squeeze across the fastener's flat sides, giving frequent DIYers a more controlled grip than conventional wrench jaws. Fast adjustment also suits hardware you handle repeatedly. The major drawback is cost, because it's substantially pricier than a standard adjustable wrench. Skip it if you need the widest compact opening, prefer traditional wrench technique, or just want an inexpensive drawer tool. Quick split. Channellock for broad household coverage, Milwaukee as the all-metal alternative, Irwin for smaller budget jobs, and Knipex for stronger clamping on troublesome fasteners. Before buying, check your largest fitting, the surrounding clearance, preferred handle style, and whether the wrench must fit inside an existing tool drawer. Start with the Channellock because it covers the widest range without becoming bulky. Choose Milwaukee if that's unavailable, Irwin for light budget work, or Knipex when clamping matters most. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.